So everybody say hi. Hi, it's Miss Hoffman's class here. Hi. We are going to go over last night's homework and really go over, you're gonna hold this. You're gonna hold this. Go over the explanation on how to do it. We're gonna work together now because some of us had trouble, so we're gonna help our parents and make sure we truly understand it. Let's look at letter B, everybody. So you have letter B in front of you. We know, being third grade students, that we're gonna count how many units are you counting? How many make up? One whole. So go ahead and let's look at letter B. We're gonna start, even though it says 1, we're still gonna use that as our start point, and we're going to count how many pieces until we get to that arrow. So you count, and I'm gonna do it on the video. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so is 7 going to be my numerator or my denominator? Numerator. It's going to be the number on the top. Very good. Now, how do we figure out what our denominator is? This is the one that tricks us. Max, what are we going to do?
You count all the way
Not all the way to the end, because that is not one whole. What are we going to do?
You count how much is in one.
In one whole cookie. So I know this is 1 and this is 2. So these big lines represent like one whole cookie. So how many pieces make up one whole, Valerie? 4. So our denominator is fourths. So the answer to this one is 7/4. Now our families, and those of us that grew up like when I did, we would also read this as a mixed number. How many whole cookies did I eat? Can you answer that one for me? Looking at letter B, Ethan, can you tell me how many whole cookies I ate? Go ahead, Ethan, I called you.
One.
I ate 1 whole cookie. Did I eat 2 whole cookies too?
No.
No, so I ate 1 whole cookie, and can you tell me how many extras I ate? How many extras did I eat, Jaden? How many pieces are counting?
3.
3. How many pieces make up the whole?
4.
4. So I did eat 1 3/4. This is known as a mixed number. This is a fraction greater than 1. We need to know it both ways, but for this time and for the next couple activities, we are doing it this way. Now, that's how you do it when the number line's given to you, but let's look at these down here. This was like what we did the other days in class. Draw this model and then turn it into a number line. So everybody in the back over there, I want you to make sure you're with me. You're going to answer the question, so kind of do a shift. If you've already answered questions for me, back away from the table and let's let this new group come in, okay? So here we go. We say 5/4. So I'm going to draw my model. Can someone give me an example of what I need to draw right next to that for 5/4? What do I need to draw? Chrisette?
You need to draw 4 circles.
No, I'm not going to draw 4 circles because that would be holes. How many? I'm going to draw 1 hole. Let me start for you. If I draw 1 hole, Chrisette, can you tell me how many parts my hole is going to have?
5.
Look at it. 4, the denominator. How many total pieces in 1 hole? So here's 1 hole. Let's color in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. What do I need to do? Gabriel. I need to draw another one just like that. Very good, Gabriel. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my model. So did I eat more than 1 whole?
Yeah.
Yes, Valerie. So already I can say I know this is greater than 1 whole because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And Ellie, I'm going to want you with me. So let's do my number line. What number am I going to start with, Ellie, on my number line? 0. Okay, we can start with 0. And if I'm dealing with fourths, what is it going to be? 0 fourths. Thank you. What's the next line going to be? 1/4. What's the next line going to be?
3/4.
You guys got it. And this one's a little special. What makes 4/4 so special? What makes 4? It makes 1 whole. Very good, Adeline. But I need 5/4, so I'm going to continue. What's this line going to be? 5/4. Now this is where my plot dot's going to go. So I just modeled 5/4, but let's just continue just a little bit more down our number line. What's going to be my 2 holes? If 4/4 is 1 hole, what number will make 2 holes? Finn Barber?
4/8.
No, think about it again. Think about how you're saying it. You're on the right track. You have the right numbers.
8/4.
8/4. How did we get that? Let's see here. 6/4. Whoops. 7/4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8/4 is 2 wholes. So here is how we modeled it on the number line. So we have shown 5/4. We make our number line greater than 1 whole. And then we also can identify how many pieces are we counting, how many make up 1 whole, going back to the 1 whole, and then writing it as a mixed number. I hope this helps you guys and your families, and we will do more practice. And cut.